Oh yeah. Snow, blizzard 2011.
First of the century.
Out here doing it. Bud Light boogie board style.
Bud Light boogie board style.
Actually, that's a Slick Lizard. Thought it was Bud Light.
High performance. Got the goggles, got the gear, got the kill.
Got the guts, got the glory, baby.
Here we go.
Woo! Oh yeah. First casualty of 2011.
Yeah, it hurt. I think my ears left in the snow.
Oh yeah, doing it Brian Boitano style.
That's
in the
all
ice.
Right. This time we're gonna go straight down, across the road, jump the curb into the trees. This ought to be good. Not terrible. We'll do one more for the YouTube fans before my heart explodes. We'll take off right here, down the curb, down the street, nothing but pavement.
You better hurry before we get this oncoming traffic.
That's true.
Blizzard 2011!
Another good day in the snow. W&J signing off.